Picture this. You are speeding down the highway. The car feels steady. Suddenly, a loud bang shakes everything. The wheel jerks hard. Fear takes over. A tire has burst at high speed. Many drivers panic. They slam the brakes or twist the wheel. That panic kills. But survival is possible. If you know the right steps, you can stay alive. This guide will show you how to handle a blowout and bring the car to safety. Tires never burst without reason. The biggest cause is wrong air pressure. Too low, heat builds until the rubber fails. Too high, the tire stiffens and weakens. Old cracked tires are dangerous. Overloading your car adds risk. Sharp debris or deep potholes can cut rubber. Long trips on hot roads increase danger. Skipping tire rotation or balance makes wear worse. Knowing these risks helps you prevent many blowouts. The first seconds decide survival. Hard braking is deadly, and jerking the wheel is just as bad. The right move is control. Grip the wheel with both hands. Expect pulling or wobbling, but hold steady. Do not stop at once. Your goal is control until you slow down safely. Follow this sequence. Grip the wheel with both hands and breathe steady. Do not slam brakes. Keep the car straight. Make small steering moves. Press the accelerator very lightly for 2 seconds. This keeps balance. Then ease off the gas and let speed fall naturally. Switch on hazard lights to warn others. Wait until speed drops below 40 kilometers per hour. Then guide the car toward the shoulder, smooth and steady. Front and rear bursts feel different. A front burst pulls the wheel hard. Hold steady, do not let the car drag sideways. A rear burst makes the back sway or fishtail. Do not overcorrect. Keep the wheel straight and steady. Let the car slow on its own. Location changes danger. On a busy highway, check mirrors and signal before pulling aside. On bridges, do not stop right away. Keep control until you exit. At night, use hazards and interior lights. In rain, grip tighter. Traction is weak. No matter the place, the rule is the same. Once you stop, keep your hazard lights on. If traffic is heavy, stay inside the car. Do not step onto the highway. If it's safe, place a warning triangle behind you. Check the tire only when conditions allow. If the damage is light, use the spare. But if the tire is shredded or traffic is dangerous, call roadside assistance. Your life is worth far more than saving a rim. Preparation saves lives. Always keep a good spare tire, jack, and wrench ready. Carry a small inflator and a pressure gauge. Pack a reflective triangle, vest, and flashlight. These tools turn panic into control. They buy you time to act safely. Prevention is the best survival strategy. Check your tire pressure every 2 weeks with a gauge. Rotate your tires every 10,000 kilometers. Replace old tires, even if the tread looks fine. Rubber weakens over time. Most tires expire after 6 years. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Steer clear of potholes and always inspect for cuts or bulges before a long trip. These simple habits cut your risk dramatically. A tire burst at speed is deadly, but not hopeless. Stay calm. Follow the right steps. Grip the wheel, avoid sharp moves, slow down naturally, and then pull over. Prevention is better, but knowing survival steps saves lives. Share this guide with your family and friends. One day, it may save them too.